In the heart of the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, there lies a region steeped in mystery and intrigue, the Bermuda Triangle. This enigmatic area, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is roughly bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Covering approximately 500,000 square miles of the ocean's surface, it's an area where compass points towards true north rather than magnetic north, an anomaly that can play havoc with navigation instruments. Yet, the Bermuda Triangle's reputation extends far beyond its geographical boundaries. Over the centuries, it has earned a notorious reputation as a supposed abyss of inexplicable disappearances. Countless ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace within this enigmatic triangle, often under clear skies and in calm seas. Take, for instance, the tale of the USS Cyclops, a massive vessel with over 300 souls aboard, which disappeared in 1918 without sending a single distress call. Or the infamous Flight 19, a squadron of 5 torpedo bombers that vanished in 1945 during a routine training mission. In its wake, a search and rescue plane dispatched to find them also disappeared, intensifying the mystery. Then, there's the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a T-2 tanker carrying a crew of 39, which seemingly evaporated into thin air in the Triangle in 1963. No trace of the ship or its crew was ever found, not even a single life preserver. These are but a few examples of the many strange occurrences that have been reported within the Bermuda Triangle's boundaries. Each incident is laden with perplexing details and inexplicable circumstances that have led to a multitude of theories and conjectures. From supernatural phenomena and alien abductions to time warps and even the lost city of Atlantis, the Bermuda Triangle has been a fertile ground for speculation and debate. With such peculiar occurrences, numerous theories have arisen in an attempt to explain the Bermuda Triangle mystery. From the plausible to the outright bizarre, theories about the Bermuda Triangle have been numerous and varied. Let's explore some of the most popular ones. First up, we have the theory of magnetic anomalies. Some believe that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This could potentially disrupt compass readings and lead to navigational errors. But while this theory might sound compelling, it's worth noting that there are several other places on Earth where such alignment occurs, yet they don't share the Bermuda Triangle's notorious reputation. Next up is the theory of methane hydrates. The ocean floor in the Bermuda Triangle area is known to house vast deposits of this gas. The theory suggests that if these deposits were to become unstable and release gas, it could lower the water density, causing ships to sink. In the air, it could theoretically create turbulent conditions, leading to airplane crashes. However, no direct evidence of such an event has ever been found. Then we have the rogue waves theory. These are massive, unexpected waves that can reach up to 100 feet in height. They could easily overwhelm a ship or even an airplane flying at a low altitude. Though these waves are rare, they are not unheard of, providing some weight to this theory. Of course, we can't forget the more outlandish theories. Some suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for alien abductions. Others propose that it's a portal to another dimension. While these theories certainly add a dash of spice to our discussion, they are often met with more chuckles than serious consideration. These theories, as fascinating as they are, have been met with skepticism and criticism, making the Bermuda Triangle a continuing enigma. But isn't that part of its allure? The lure of the unknown, the thrill of the unsolved. As we delve deeper into this mystery, let's remember that sometimes the journey to find an answer can be just as intriguing as the answer itself. On the other side of the coin, skeptics argue that the Bermuda Triangle mystery is nothing more than a manufactured myth. Indeed, not everyone is convinced by the tales of vanishing ships and disappearing planes. The skeptics present a different perspective altogether, one that's grounded in logic, reason, and a healthy dose of skepticism. They argue that the Bermuda Triangle mystery is not a mystery at all, but rather a product of human imagination, fueled by sensationalized media reports and embellished stories. One of the key arguments presented by the skeptics is the concept of confirmation bias. That is, people are more likely to notice and remember events that confirm their pre-existing beliefs and ignore those that don't. So when a ship or plane goes missing in the Bermuda Triangle, it grabs headlines and adds to the legend. But when countless other vessels traverse the region without incident, it's just another day at sea, barely worth a mention. Another point raised by the skeptics is the exaggeration of claims. They argue that many of the so-called mysteries are not as unexplainable as they might seem. Misinterpretations of weather phenomena, human error, and even outright fabrications have all contributed to the Bermuda Triangle's infamous reputation. They also point out the lack of solid evidence. Despite numerous investigations, there's been no definitive proof that the Bermuda Triangle is any more dangerous than other heavily traveled regions of the ocean. In fact, the U.S. Board on Geographic Names, a federal body responsible for standardizing geographic names in the United States, does not even officially recognize the term Bermuda Triangle. But perhaps the most compelling argument of the skeptics is this: if the Bermuda Triangle were truly a hotspot for supernatural activity or unexplained disappearances, wouldn't the world's maritime and aviation authorities have declared it a no-go zone by now? Despite the skeptics' arguments, the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate the public's imagination and curiosity. The Bermuda Triangle, a name synonymous with mystery and unexplained phenomena, continues to bewilder us. We've delved into the enigma that this region presents, recounting the many notable incidents that have occurred within its boundaries, from disappearing vessels to baffling aircraft vanishings. We've unraveled a plethora of theories, some scientific, others bordering on the paranormal, each attempting to explain the inexplicable. The methane gas hypothesis, the electromagnetic interference theory, even the speculation of extraterrestrial involvement have all been debated. We've also given voice to the skeptics, those who question the very existence of the Bermuda Triangle mystery, attributing the incidents to human error, equipment failure, or simple misfortune. Yet despite our best efforts, the Bermuda Triangle retains its enigmatic allure. Until definitive evidence is found, the Bermuda Triangle will remain one of the world's greatest unsolved mysteries, a puzzle waiting for the right piece to complete it.